Get ready, tech enthusiasts. OnePlus is back to shake up the flagship scene. The OnePlus 15 is set to debut in India on November 13, and the buzz is all about its powerhouse features. A massive 7,300 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen, 5 chip, and a price that could turn the market upside down. Let's dive into all the details you need to know. The official launch in India is scheduled for November 13 at 7 p.m. IST, with sales kicking off immediately on Amazon and the OnePlus India store. Rumored pricing indicates that the 12 gigabytes plus 256 gigabytes model might be around $72,999, while the 16 gigabytes plus 512 gigabytes variant could reach $76,999. These figures are based on leaks, but OnePlus may offer early bird discounts or special bundles at launch. The OnePlus 15 showcases a 6.7 8-inch 1.5 Kelvin's LTPO AMOLED screen crafted by BOE, featuring a 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate and a remarkable peak brightness of 1,800 nits. This results in smoother, scrolling, highly responsive gaming experiences and excellent visibility in bright outdoor conditions. The design maintains a luxurious feel with its flat edges, aluminum chassis, and stereo speakers that provide an engaging audio experience. For those passionate about photography, the OnePlus 15 is equipped with a triple camera arrangement on the rear, including a primary sensor with optical image stabilization, an ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. The front boasts a 32MP camera that can capture 4 Kelvin's video. Expect significant enhancements in nighttime photography, stability during zoom operations, and overall HDR performance. Internally, it is driven by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, complemented by up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage. This powerful duo guarantees rapid multitasking, gaming that rivals console performance, and exceptional thermal management, perfect for power users and mobile gamers alike. Battery longevity is a standout characteristic. It features an impressive 7,300 milliamp hour battery, accompanied by 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging capabilities. OnePlus asserts that it can achieve a full charge from 0 to 100% in approximately 25 minutes, which is nearly twice as quick as numerous other premium models in this price category. The OnePlus 15 operates on ColorOS 16, built on Android 15, and guarantees up to 5 years of software updates. Connectivity choices encompass Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual stereo speakers, and an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. This ensures exceptional durability and connectivity all around. With state-of-the-art performance, rapid charging, and competitive pricing, the OnePlus 15 is emerging as one of the most thrilling flagship introductions of 2025. What's your opinion? Is it worth the upgrade, or should we wait for the OnePlus 15 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Smart Gadget Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for our comprehensive review right after the official debut.